Learn blogging. Are you looking for a free, easy, step-by-step guide on how to start a blog? My free guide on this page will show you how to create a blog that is beautiful and functional, all in an easy step-by-step tutorial. Ready to start the simple step-by-step tutorial? Now I am going to show you how to start blogging. I have been building blogs and websites since 2009. In that time I have launched several of my own blogs, and helped hundreds of others do the same. I know that starting a blog can seem overwhelming and intimidating. This free guide is all about blogging for beginners, and will teach you how to be a blogger with just the most basic computer skills. So whether you're 8 or 88, you can create your own blog in less than 20 minutes. I am not ashamed to admit that when I was first learning how to build a blog I made a ton of mistakes. You can benefit from more than a decade of my experience so that you don't repeat these same mistakes when you make your own blog. I created this free guide so that anyone can learn how to blog quickly and easily. And if you get stuck at any point, please send me a message and I will do my best to help you. What is a blog anyway? In short, a blog is a type of website that focuses mainly on written content, also known as blog posts. In popular culture we most often hear about news blogs or celebrity blog sites, but as you'll see in this guide, you can start a successful blog on just about any topic imaginable. Bloggers often write from a personal perspective that allows them to connect directly with their readers. In addition, most blogs also have a comments section where readers can correspond with the blogger. Interacting with your readers in the comments section helps to further the connection between the blogger and the reader. This direct connection to the reader is one of the main benefits of starting a blog. This connection allows you to interact and share ideas with other like-minded people. It also allows you to build trust with your readers. Having the trust and loyalty of your readers also opens up the door to making money from your blog, which is something I discuss later in this guide. Should you start a blog? Simple steps to help you create a blog easily. One of the misconceptions about starting a blog is that you need to be a great writer to be successful. Nothing could be further from the truth. People read blog sites to get a personal perspective on things, so most bloggers write in a very informal and conversational style. In addition, you don't need to be an expert on your topic in order to have a successful blog. For example, readers of a cooking blog don't want to read a textbook from a food scientist, they want to hear the experiences of someone who has actually cooked some real meals, mistakes and all. To be successful as a blogger there is really just one requirement, a passion for your topic. At its heart, blogging is about sharing your knowledge with the world. Choosing a topic that you are passionate about makes the process of starting a successful blog so much easier. Writing about more than one topic is totally fine too. As long as you are writing about things that you are genuinely interested in, your passion will shine through and keep your readers interested. So why would you go to the trouble of blogging? There are a few reasons. Make money from home. Blogging can be quite lucrative if done correctly. The top bloggers in the world obviously earn quite a bit, but even a part-time blogger can expect to make a nice profit if things are done correctly. The best part about it is that blogging is a form of passive income, since you can spend just a few hours a week writing a blog post and then continue to make money from it long after the blog post is written. I go into much more detail on how to blog for money later in this guide. Share your story. A blog allows you to have a voice and be heard. You can share your story with the entire world if you so choose. One of the most common ways blogs are used are as a diary where the blogger writes about their daily experiences so that friends, family, and others can all be a part of their lives. Recognition for yourself or your business. No, you probably won't have paparazzi following you around because of your latest blog post. But a successful blog makes your idea into a reality, and can gain you a ton of recognition in your respective field. Many bloggers are known as experts just because of their blogs, and some have even gotten book and movie deals based on their blogs. Find a community. Blogging at its heart is interactive. You write a blog post and people comment on it. This is a great way to connect with people who are interested in the same things as you are. Blogging allows you to teach these people based on your experience, and it gives you the opportunity to learn from your readers as well. The good news is that the internet is exploding with growth right now. More people than ever are online. This explosion in growth means more potential readers for your blog. In short, if you are thinking about starting a blog, then there is no better time than right now. So, just how do you start a blog? How to start a blog in 6 steps. Learn how to create a blog in about 20 minutes following these steps. Pick a blog name. Choose something descriptive. Get your blog online. Register your blog and get hosting. Customize your blog. Choose a free template and tweak it. Write and publish your first post. The fun part. Promote your blog. Get more people to read your blog. Make money blogging. Choose from several options to monetize your blog. Let's start your blog. Step 1. Pick a blog name. The first step to finding a good blog name is choosing your topic. If you're not sure what to blog about, there are a few ways to find a good blog topic. Hobbies and passions. Hobbies or other interests you are passionate about are a great place to start. Cooking, travel, fashion, sports, and cars are all classic examples. But even blogs about more obscure hobbies can be successful, since your audience is literally anyone in the world with the internet. Life experiences. Everyone has lessons they have learned through life experience. Sharing this knowledge can be incredibly helpful to others in similar situations. For example, I recently helped a woman start her blog about being a fireman's wife. She has a lot of experience and knowledge to share with others about this topic, and it has helped her connect with others in similar situations. Think about the things you have experienced in life. This could be related to your family. Example, a blog about being a stay-at-home mom. Work, a blog about experiences dealing with clients, or other life experiences. A blog about dealing with a troubling time such as a disease or divorce, or about a happy time such as preparing for a wedding or a birth of a child. A personal blog. A personal blog is a blog all about you. This will include a variety of topics, from things you do on a daily basis, to random thoughts and musings. This is a great way to share your thoughts with the world without having to stick to just one topic. Once you have a topic, it's time to choose your blog name. A good blog name should be descriptive so that potential readers can instantly tell what your blog is about just from the name. If you are blogging about one specific topic, then you will definitely want to include that in some way in your blog name. Try not to get hung up on just one word though. For example, a cooking blog doesn't necessarily have to have the word cooking in it. The words food, recipes, and meals would also let people know that your blog is about cooking. If you are planning to create a personal blog where you discuss a variety of topics, then I recommend using your name, or some variation of it, since your blog is all about you. For example, XXX the name, then blog will be xxxx.com. Can't decide on a good name for your blog? Contact me and I will help you personally for free. Once you have some blog name ideas, you will need to choose a domain extension. A .com domain extension is the most preferred, but .net or .org work as well. It is also important to note that for the purposes of a blog domain you cannot have any spaces between words. Now that you've got your name and have picked an extension, it's time to make sure that no one else has already registered the same name. Note, you cannot use any spaces or punctuation other than dashes in a domain name. If you find that the name you wanted is already taken, there are a few things you can do. Try a different domain extension. If the .com version is already registered, you may still be able to get the .net or .org version of your blog name. Add small words. Words like a, my, or the. For example, this site is called theblogstarter.com instead of blogstarter.com. Add dashes between words. For example, blog-starter.com. Step 2. Get your blog online. Now that you've got a name picked out, it's time to get your blog online. This might sound hard or technical, but the steps below will walk you right through and make the process easy. To get your blog up and running, you need 2 things: blog hosting and blogging software. The good news is that these typically come packaged together. A blog host is a company that stores all of the files for your blog and delivers them to the user when they type in your blog name. You must have a blog host in order to have a blog. You also need to have the software to build your blog. In this guide I will be showing you how to build a blog using the WordPress blogging software, because it is the most popular, customizable, and easiest to use. They will register your blog name for you for free, making sure no one else can take it. They offer a free, simple installation of the WordPress blogging software, which I show you how to use in this guide. They have been recommended by WordPress since 2005 and currently host over 2 million blogs and websites. They have helpful 24/7 customer service via phone or web chat. They have a money-back guarantee if you are unsatisfied for any reason. Use any loyalwebsite.com link on this site by January 24th to make sure you get the special offer at loyalwebsite.com. Still confused? Don't worry, we loyalwebsite.com help you to build your blog for free. To get your online blog up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. It's possible to set up a blog yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. If you have the budget, consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the site to look the way you want and include the features you need, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines, and creating text and images. For more information, read this guide by Founder with a detailed explanation of what it takes to set up blogging and develop it. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media, and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which business structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, we will help you to set up fully finished online store for free. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. We offer free web design and free domain name. For more detail, check loyalwebsite.com. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.